Hey guys, so I just got back from Dollar Tree and I have some things to show you. And what I will do is I will incorporate the makeup items into future makeup tutorial videos. So today's just going to be a haul. All right, so the first three things I want to show you are actually skincare. I got a bottle of witch hazel because the bottle that I'm currently using is from Target, and I can't see spending the extra money when I can get it for $1.25 at Dollar Tree because witch hazel is witch hazel. It's not really going to make that much difference whether I get the name brand or I get this. So this is a backup for my bottle of witch hazel. And I bought a couple of skincare items. The brand is Global Beauty. I got their serum and I got their eye cream. And the serum says multivitamin serum. And it says pH balanced, no SLS, non-comedogenic, paraben free, not tested on animals, for all skin types. So the serum that I've been using, the container is almost empty. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to try this. You never know. It might be good. It might not do anything. We shall see. So I'll try that. And then I actually don't currently use an eye cream, so anything would be better than nothing, right? So I'm going to try the Global Beauty eye cream, and it also has vitamin C, niacinamide, AHAs, and vitamin E. And it says fragrance free, sulfate free, phthalate free, silicone free, alcohol free, not tested on animals, for all skin types, giving back to the community, non-comedogenic, and pH balanced. So yeah, it's about time that I started using an eye cream, I think. I usually just use my face moisturizer all over for moisture, but it's always good to have a little bit of extra underneath your eyes. So those are the three skincare items that I got. And I found the LA Colors blushes, and I'm assuming that there's three. The colors are Love Trap, Allure, and Temptation. And like I said, I will use these in upcoming makeup tutorial videos. So the color range is pretty good, I would say. And it says buildable color, too cheeky blush, weightless and long lasting. The numbers are ending in 5, 6, and 7, so I hope there is no 4 or 8. If you know if this is it, I think that's probably it. I would hope. Because to try to find one of anything is not easy, but I have a feeling that there are only 3, but I will try those out. And then I have a couple of highlighters. This is the LA Colors Conceal Correct highlighter, and it's a white. And the reason why I wanted this is because the white highlighters that I currently own are powders. And I thought that it would be nice to have a liquid because I really prefer liquid makeup products these days. So this would make sense. And if you really want your highlighter to pop, what you can do is you can put a little bit of the liquid on and then just put a little bit of the corresponding powder in the same color on top. Or actually with a white, you could use any color really. So I have never tried this, and this is from just their regular line. It isn't anything like limited edition or anything. And then I found a highlight by Ioni that I did not have, and this was from the Zodiac collection, and this is the Aquarius one called Glow. Now the Zodiac collection is not new, but I had not seen this one. I love the packaging is so pretty on this. So this looks like it's sort of a beige color, I would say. That's what it looks like swatched on my finger. And that's swatched on my hand. So that looks like it could be a good one. Crystal, I'm sure you have this. Do you like this highlighter? That's my friend Crystal from Reading and Retail. She loves Ione, and she probably has every product that they make. So that is Aquarius Glow by Ione Cosmetics. So that looks like it's going to be a good one. The only thing I don't like about Ione, the blushes and highlighters, is when you first buy them, they come like this in the package, so then the cover doesn't stay closed. So what I do is I put like a really tight elastic around it, and then after the elastic has been on there for a couple of days, it will stay closed by itself after that. But that's so they can display the packaging. Okay, so I just opened up the other highlighter and the blushes so that I can do swatches for you. Although the LA Colors highlighter is just a white, so that isn't gonna probably show. I mean, you can see that. Wow. Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting it to be that blinding. Wow, ooh, that looks so promising, you guys. And this is not anything new. I don't know why I have not picked this up before, because I think I have seen this before. And I just assumed that it wouldn't be any good, but yeah, you never assume, because you know what they say about that. Okay, so the blushes. Yeah, let's do these. So we have Allure, which is like pinky mauve, I guess you would say. Oh, that's pretty. I think I'm probably gonna like that one the best out of the three. Although, I don't know, I've been doing a lot of different kinds of colors lately. And then we have Love Trap, which is, let's see, how would you describe that? Like a brown? Like a rusty brown, maybe? And then we have Temptation, which is like a corally red, I guess. Yeah, you know, if you don't try different colors, makeup can be awfully boring if you just keep using the same kind of colors all the time. It's good to break out of your comfort zone and try different things. So those are the three shades of the blushes. Now there is a peach collection by LA Colors, and there were 4 items on the display, and this was the only one that I really thought that I would use. The other ones, I could kind of tell by the type of products that they were, that it would be more like for little kids, I would say. But this one did intrigue me. This is the lip gloss, and it's peach scented. This is what the packaging looks like. And it says on here, shiny and moisturizing, magically tints lips pink. And it's called Peachy Pie. So even though it's peach, your lips will turn pink, and yeah, that sounds interesting. But the other products were like things that had glitter in them, and they were based in like waxy type substances, and some of them were like multi-purpose products like lip and cheek, and I don't know, that just this was the only thing that appealed to me. The other things I just knew that I would either never use them or use them once and never use them again, and I don't want to waste money, because even though these things only cost $1.25, if you buy like, 10 items, now you've spent like, I don't know, $12 or $13, or actually more than that with the tax. But anyway, this is peach scented, and it definitely smells like peach. There is no doubt about it. Now, I already have something on my lips, so if I swatch this on my hand, I wonder if it will turn the pink shade on my hand. It should. If it's one of those pH things, it should. So let me rub it in, and then wait a second. So it is changing to like a pink color. Looks like it has glitter in it, which is why I didn't buy the other items. Tints lips pink with a pop of shine, lightly scented. Product may stain. Yeah, it's not. I mean, I see such a slight pink there, so maybe you have to put it on your lips. But I will use all these things in upcoming videos on my face to show you. And then I have one last thing. This is the Be Pure Nail Polish Remover Pen. And what this is for is when you paint your nails, if you accidentally get a little bit of polish on the skin next to your nail, you can take this pen, open it up so I can show you. You take this pen and then you just go over that area where you got the polish on your skin, and it will remove it. So these are very handy to have. They don't usually last that long. They usually dry up fairly quick. What I have been doing, since I didn't have one of these lately, is I take an old small makeup brush that I don't really use and just dip it in a little bit of nail polish remover and then just use that. I'll show you. This is the one that that I usually use for my nails. This was actually a really nice makeup brush. I probably could have made a better choice for which one I was going to sacrifice, because that's all I ever use it for, is to do my manicure. But I liked the narrowness of this part and being able to get right in there. But that's what I usually do. I usually just dip this in a little bit of nail polish remover to fix any mistakes, because there's always going to be that one little spot, even no matter how hard you try to just get it on your nail, it's always going to be human error. So this will be good to try, and it looks like the tip is nice and narrow on there. So yeah, that will be nice to have, especially for $1.25. So I'll put that over there with my brush. And that is what I got at Dollar Tree. And if you want to know what I have on for makeup, everything that I have on is listed in the description box of yesterday's video. Please don't make me type all that all over again, because it was a makeup tutorial. So yeah, everything will be listed there. And I did this video today to try to get like a day ahead, because I'm going to post this the day after the makeup tutorial video to try and get a day ahead. Yeah. All right, so that's my Dollar Tree haul. Hope you saw some good stuff in there that might have interested you, and I'll start using that eye cream tonight after I take off my makeup. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.